Hi, today we are going to learn about multi-programming batch systems. In this operating system picks up and begins to execute one of the jobs from memory. Once this jobs need an IO operating system switches to another job. CPU and OS always will be busy. Jobs in the memory are always less than the number of jobs on the disk. If several jobs are ready to run at the same time, then the system chooses which one to run through the process of CPU scheduling. If non-multiprogramming system, there are moments when CPU sits idle and does not do any work. In multiprogramming systems, CPU will never be idle and keeps on processing. Time sharing systems are very similar to multi-programming batch system. In fact, the system sharing are an extension of multi-programming system. In time sharing system, the prime focus is on minimize of the response time, while in multi-programming, the prime focus is to maximize the CPU usage. In this figure, we can see that a particular time, if job A is not utilizing CPU, then because it is busy in IO options, then CPU executes job B. If the same thing is repeated again, then other job C is waiting for the CPU for getting it extinguished time. In this way, CPU will never remain idle and will fully utilized by the maximum amount of time. Advantages: efficient memory utilization throughout increases the amount of material or items passing through a system or processor. CPU is never idle, so performance increases. Multiprocessor system. A multiprocessor system consists of several processors that share a common physical memory. Multiprocessor system provides higher computing power and speed. In multiprocessor system, all processors operate under single operating system. Multiplicity of the processors and how they do act, there are transfers to the other. Advantages of multiprocessing system: enhanced performance, extinguish of several tasks by different processor concurrently, increasing the systems throughout without speeding up the execution of a single task if possible. System divides tasks into many subtasks and then these subtasks can be executed in parallel in different processes, thereby speeding up the execution of single task. Basic structure of CPU.